This is a confetti cannon, and I'm gonna teach you how to make it. Here is what you'll need. A toilet paper tube or a paper towel tube, cut to 5-6 inches. Some glue, a pencil, some scissors, a balloon, and confetti. We'll also need tape. So first thing you're gonna do is cut your balloon right around the where it's wide, halfway area type of situation. Cut it right there. Now, you'll fit this around the end of the tube. Take your tape and tape the balloon on. Make sure it is nice and secure. All right. Let's see. Did that work? Whoa. All right, now you're gonna tie this end. Ooh. Yep, that works. And now, your confetti blaster is basically made. All you gotta do now is decorate it. I'm gonna use some fancy schmancy paper that just sticks on where you don't even need to glue it. But how much of it do I need? Glue? Not anymore, we've leveled up. Stickable paper. Oh yeah, here we go. We got it. Which way? All right. I'm gonna make a little star and moon. All right, stick this on. Now we glue the star. And now for the best part, let's load it up. A little bit of confetti. Fire in the hole!
Looking for more fun activities? Check out the Muslim Treehouse.
Twice a week, we have live programs with over 5,000 Muslim kids from all across the world. Don't miss out. Go to noorkids.com/treehouse and join us.